Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. So let's tap on it, and here we have to find the apps. Now let's enter special app access, and here we have to find the section install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And it's quite easy to fix, and just find the app, tap on it, and tap on the switcher here. Now we can go back, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that, and use this option wisely. So of course it will work the same with all other apps, and you can turn off the permission whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.